Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Hi everyone! Welcome to Ask K-Jin. My name is K-Jin. 안녕하세요, K-Jin입니다. In this series, I'll answer your Korean questions. So if you have any questions, please let me know by clicking the link in the description. Or you can go to koreanclass101.com/ask-kjin. So ask many questions. Today I picked questions related to winter travel tips. Here's the first question. What is the weather like in the winter in Korea? Here's a table of the temperature of Korea in the winter. So first, we have 서울. 서울 is 2 degrees Celsius, by the way. I know in the States you use the Fahrenheit, but in Korea we use this C, Celsius. So please be careful when you talk to Korean people. So it's 2도. 2 means 2 and degree in Korean is 도. So 2도. This is the highest temperature. What do you think? It's pretty cold, isn't it? And the lowest temperature is, wow, below 0. Wow, it's -7. 영하 7도. 영하 -7도. 영하 7도. So this is the lowest temperature and this is the average of lowest temperature. So actually, when it's very cold, it's definitely lower than -7. Definitely lower than this. Sometimes when I call my mom, my parents, they said, oh, today is -15, -16. Of course, it's not everyday temperature, but when it's very cold, it's possible that it can go up to like -20 degrees. So it's pretty cold. And Seoul, by the way, is the capital of Korea, is here. 짜자자잔. And look at Daejeon is the middle of Korea. And since it's relatively more southern area, it's slightly warmer, but lowest temperature is pretty low. And Busan, yes, Busan is definitely much warmer because it's along the sea. Yes, it's close to the sea. So if you visit Korea in the winter and you are the person who doesn't like the cold weather, then check out Busan and Jeju. Busan, a second biggest city in Korea, located here, and Jeju, the biggest island in Korea, located in southern South Korea, Jeju and Busan. Well, but still, they are not so warm. So here are some Korean expressions to describe the weather. So 추워요. 추워요 is cold. 추워요. Yes, Korea is very cold. And also it snows in the winter. It snows in Korean is 눈이 와요. 눈이 와요. 눈 means snow, is a noun. And 이 is a particle. And 와요 means comes. So it literally means snow comes. Snow comes. This is how we say it snows in Korean. 눈이 와요. 눈이 와요. Another important expression is 건조해요. 건조해요. It means it's dry. Yes, in Korea, it's very dry in the winter, so make sure to use the moisture cream. There are many, many good cream in Korea, so check them out too. Next, I think it's same in many other countries, but sun rises late. 해가 늦게 떠요. 해 means sun here, sun. 해, 가 particle. 늦게 means late. It's an adverb. 떠요 means rise. So it just means the sun rises late. Yes, the sun rises between 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So before that time, it's very dark. And just like many other countries, the sun sets early. 해가 빨리 져요. 해가 빨리. 빨리 means early or quickly. 져요 means set or go down. So the sun sets early. 해가 빨리 져요. So Korea gets dark between 5 to 6 p.m. So yes, you will not see the sun, but don't worry, there are still many things to do at night, even when it's dark, and Korea is safe. Here's the second question. Is winter a good season to travel to Korea? This is an interesting question, and my answer is yes and no. Okay, so let's talk about why it's no. Simply because it's cold. So if you don't like the cold weather, and I know some of my students are from tropical countries, so they don't have really warm clothes, then Korea will be really tough for you. You really need warm and good clothes to survive in the winter in Korea. The sun goes down early, so you might have to come back to the hotel earlier than you expected. But I still think winter is a good season to travel because, well, there are so many things to do in the winter in Korea. Do you like winter activities or winter sports? Then yay, there are so many things to enjoy. And also there are many places to see the snow, which is very beautiful. So it's good. And my favorite part of winter is, yay, the winter food in Korea. Yes, in the winter, the seafoods are really good. And also, the outside is cold. And when you come back to your hotel or when you go to the restaurant, you can enjoy the really warm Korean food, which will make you feel really good. Yay! I personally don't like winter so much, but I still like winter some way because of the food. And also you will experience the ondol culture. Ondol culture. What is ondol? It's the floor heating system. It's very traditional and wow, that's amazing. That makes you experience something different in Korea in the winter because that makes your body warm and it's really good. So please check it out. I also recommend Korean sauna too. It's perfect for the winter. So the answer is yes and no, and it's all up to you. Check out what are good things about winter and bad things, and you can choose. Here's the last question. What are some tips to know for visiting Korea in winter? First, please dress warm because Korea is cold. 따뜻하게 입으세요. 따뜻하게 입으세요. 따뜻하게. It's a bit hard to pronounce it, right? 따뜻하게, it means warmly. It's an adjective. And 입으세요 means please wear or please dress. So dress warm. And Korea is very cold, so dress warm and be careful not to get sick. And next, stay hydrated. As I mentioned, Korea is dry in the winter, so drink a lot of water. Bring a water bottle all the time and drink water sometimes. So 수분을 충분히 섭취하세요. 수분을 충분히 섭취하세요. 수분 is water. 충분히 means enough. And 섭취하세요 means take. So take water enough. Take enough water. Stay hydrated. It's very important. And next, try indoor activities. Yay! 실내 활동을 해보세요. 실내, indoor. 활동, activities을 particle. 해보세요. 보세요 means try and 해 means do. So it literally means try doing indoor activities. Since it's cold. Yes. And you know what? There is Lotte World is the name of the amusement park in Korea, located in Jamsil in Seoul. And it's the biggest indoor amusement park in the world, as far as I know. Yes, it's pretty big. So try indoor amusement park, or there are many indoor activities to do. So just don't be outside all the time. And 짠! My favorite advice. 겨울철 음식을 먹어보세요. 겨울, winter. 철 means season. So 겨울철 means winter time, or it literally means season of winter. And 음식, food, particle, object marking particle. 먹어 is from 먹다, meaning to eat. 보세요 means try, so try eating winter food. Yes, there are really nice winter food, and I already made another lesson about winter in Korea, and I introduced some winter Korean food, so check out previous lesson. And 짠! Avoid holidays. Yes, 휴일을 피하세요. 휴일, holidays, 을 object marking particle. 피하세요 means please avoid holidays. And in my other lesson about winter in Korea, I already introduced what are holidays in Korea in December, February, and January. December, January, February. So try to avoid holidays because many shops closed, especially Lunar New Year's Day. Oh, shops are closed. So be careful. And for the Christmas days, I will also recommend avoiding these days. It's not because shops are closed, it's simply because the shops are full of people. And movie theater, restaurant, most of them are booked. So you should be prepared in advance. So I recommend avoiding holidays, but if you cannot, then make sure to make plan in advance so you can still enjoy your stay in Korea during holidays. That's it for this lesson. Today I answered 3 questions about winter travel tips. If you have any other questions, click the link in the description or go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin. Thanks for watching. I'm K-Jin and I'll see you on koreanclass101.com. 다음 시간에 봐요.